Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let three matrix A. So, they have given you matrix A, okay, B, C, and they are trying to find out trace of A plus trace of A, B, C by 2 trace of A, B, C square by 4 trace of. This is very unique question, and I feel that you guys have studied the property of trace, okay, and this thing is going till infinity. So if you will observe, the most irritating part is BC, correct? So first we will try to find out who is BC. Okay, so BC is what? B times C. So let's multiply the matrix B with C. So 3 2 4 3, then C 3 2 4 3. So if you'll multiply, you will have 9 and then minus 8, and then 4 3 is 12 plus 12, and then 6 minus 6, and then minus 8 plus 9. So if you will observe, it is 1001. So it's nothing but identity matrix. Okay, BC is identity matrix. So can we update this thing as writing trace of A plus trace of A by 2 plus trace of A by 4 plus trace of A by 8 and dot dot dot. You know that if any constant is multiplied with the matrix and you are trying to find out its trace, you can take that constant outside. So it will become trace of A. This thing will become 1 by 2 of trace of A, 1 by 4 of trace of A, 1 by 8 of trace of A. Okay, so properties are important. So trace of A is what? Sum of diagonal element 3. So can I write 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8, and this thing is going till infinity. Now if you will observe, these numbers are in GP of infinite terms. So can I apply that formula? Sum of infinite terms in GP is what? A by 1 minus R. So who is A? A is first term. 1 minus R, common ratio. What is common ratio? 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. So it will become 6. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.